In this video, I'm going to show you how to categorize credit card payments in YNAB. Now, the first thing you want to do here, you want to go to the left-hand side. And of course, if you don't have your card over here yet, you won't be able to do that efficiently. So go ahead and make sure you do add account first and then add your card. I just went on add and then linked account. And here I gave it a nickname. I just called it card. And then here under what type, I clicked on credit card. And then I basically entered in the account balance, clicked on next, and that basically created my card account over here. Now you want to click on it here, and to actually categorize your credit card payment, you want to go and click not add transaction but record payment. So click on record payment, and over here you have to select a date. Of course, I'm going to do today over here, and then your payee. So of course you have to select what your payee is. I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to do to a bank over here. Let's say I'm paying over to this bank account over here. I'm going to click on to bank, and it's automatically going to populate this field, and it's now going to say credit card payments card. Okay, and that's basically how it categorizes itself, and you've basically successfully categorized your credit card payment. And you can then just go ahead and go into outflow and do, for example, like 100 over here. And if I now click on save here, you'll be able to see, there we go, category is correct, and I've successfully recorded this payment. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.